one tip. Stefflon dog. You know what it is when you hear that.
Breakfast in bed, darling. I got your bed falling. I make you bed for you. I make you bed for you. Breakfast in bed, darling.
Hey, it's T Marie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For this video, I want to show you guys a makeup look. So I'm gonna do some eyeshadow today. So hopefully it is successful. I love wearing my makeup, but I always wear like natural looking makeup, so I don't really do a lot of like bright, wild, and crazy colors. So this is going to be something new for me. The palette that I'm going to be using for this video, so it's the Be Beautiful Professional Makeup. It's the eyeshadow, it's the matte palette, and it does have 88 colors. This is my first time opening this palette and using this palette. So this one has all these crazy and super cute colors in it, so we're gonna put this to use. I want to shout out another YouTuber. Her name is Brandi Champayne. So she sent me this lovely palette. So I'll link her information down below. Definitely check out her channel. So I just took the palette out of the box. It does have like some plastic over it. I'll take that off eventually, but I just want to show you guys the palette. Oh my god, it is so cute. So look at these beautiful colors. So pretty. And then there's the mirror here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can get used to this. I've already done my eyebrows off camera, so I'm gonna get right into this video. We're gonna switch it over to the voiceover, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I'm starting with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and put that along my eyelids on both eyes and blend that out. And then I'll also add my setting powder as well and just kind of pat that on there. The concealer and the powder will give the eyeshadow a really good base. I'm going to take my blending brush, and the first color that I'm going to use is this pretty orange color, and I'm going to do a windshield wiper motion along the crease of my eye. I'm using the same brush, and I'm going to go in with this cute bright red color, and this is going to go right underneath the crease of my eye. And I'm also putting the red on my eyelid as well, just in that corner. I'm adding more concealer for a new base around my eyelids, just to make these colors really pop. I'm using this small angled brush, and I'm using this pretty deep plum purple, so that way I can get into the corner of my eye. And I'm patting the color in place. I'm not brushing it on. So patting the color on will make that color be vibrant. Now I'm going to add a pink color right next to the purple. I'm not going to go all the way to the other side of my eyelid. I'm just going to do a small section right in the middle. Now I'm going in with a lighter purple shade, and that's going to go right in the outer corner of my eye. I'm using my blending brush, and I'm going back in with the orange to go ahead and smooth everything out and blend everything in, so that way there are no harsh lines. I'm using my small brush, and I'm going to use this dark black color to give it a more smoky appearance, and I'm putting that right in the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to go in towards the inner lid. And back to more blending with the orange transition color, and I'm just patting everything in so that way there are no harsh lines and everything transitions beautifully. I decided to add a little bit more black. You can do this to your liking depending on how you want your eyeshadow to look. I'm going to go in and add this really nice gold sort of nude color right underneath my brow. And my favorite glitter eye top coat from Ulta. I just pat this glitter on. It gives it a shimmery, very beautiful finish. And I used this in my previous makeup video as well. I'm really loving this look, so I decided to go ahead and beat my face. So we're gonna go ahead and continue this with the full makeup look. After applying my primer, I'm using my corrector to go ahead and get rid of those blemishes, and I'm gonna blend that out. This is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade C6. I'm going to apply that and then blend that in as well. If you made it this far, why not hit that red button that's staring you in the face that says subscribe? Please and thank you. I am blending out my concealer, and by the way, in my description box I am listing all of the products that I am using in order as they appear in this video. So I'm using a darker shade of concealer, which I'll also link down below, just to give my face a little bit more definition in those highlights and those lowlights, and I'll go ahead and blend that out. Since I have oily skin, I use powder all over my face. I'm also going to go in a little bit heavier in the areas underneath my eyes, and I'll blend that out. I'm so in love with this NYX highlight. It is called Away We Glow, and let me tell y'all, I am raving about this product. I'm lining my lips with a brown shade. This is also from NYX as well, and it is matte. And then I'm gonna also go in with a lip gloss, and I got this lip gloss from NYX as well. I've had it for a while. I don't remember what shade it is, but I will try to find it and link it below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also follow me on all my social media. My Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat are also listed below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.